watching an Apollonia interview discuss her relationship with Prince. And with the music business led me there. Her favorite song by Prince was Computer Blue. I had never heard Computer Blue before in my life. I said, let me go look up this song and see what she's talking about. He was an introvert and he spent a lot of time to himself. And based on that song, he might have been a little lonely. He didn't really let people get close to him like that. The interview with him and Larry King was good too. That was live, where he talked about a lot of things that went down in the music business. Just a little education. Powerful knowledge is power.